In this video, I will show you how we use the sharing functions, share post functions in MKT Care software. These functions will help you to share any post to your Facebook account or the groups that appear on Facebook. First, in the main interface of MKT Care, click on sharing functions and we choose share post. First of all, we choose the account that we want to run sharing. And with the general configuration, the time between shares from how many seconds, usually we set from 20 to 30 seconds. And a switch account, if consecutive error, we set it to 3 times. With the content configurations, if you want to share the post with the captions, we could create a valuable content in content management and we just choose the content. And if we have a field content, so we click on allow duplicate content between accounts or allow duplicate content between actions. With the configurations when sharing, which have to enter the post ID here. For example, I want to share this post to other Facebook groups, so I take the post link and we convert to the UID. Here we just copy the ID and paste to the software. So we press save. We could choose like a share to the personal page, mean your Facebook account will share the post to their profile wall. Maximum per account share how many posts and maximum per ID post share how many times. And beside personal page, we could share to the personal news, mean the personal story of the account or the groups. We could share to group that your account have joined before, or share by group ID, which is enter the group ID here. Each group ID will be aligned. For example, I have a list of group ID here. I will copy and paste to this software. We could tick on by group list and we just select the group that your account have joined before. So it's depend on your demand, okay? You could tick on no duplicate group sharing between accounts so that your account won't share the post to the same groups. And I want per ID post will set share 3 times, so I said to 3 times. And you could choose like react with emotions up to sharings like or love or wow or something. And comment also if you want. You just enter the comment content here with a spin structures like good, like or something. If you want, just press save. And after that, we could press on save scripts to save the configuration that we have set, and you could choose it here. And after that, we press start to begin running sharing to sharing the post. And after sharing, we could have the history shares here so that you could check that how many times or the status of the sharing of the post. So that's how we use the share post functions in MKT Care software. Hope you guys enjoy my video and see you in our next video.